So this is how you can customize apps on your iPhone iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18 drop, there are actually new ways to customize your wallpapers and your phone itself. Let's go on ahead and tap on our wallpaper or actually hold. And as you can see the edit button at the top left button of the screen. So tap on edit and here we are. We can either add a widget, customize, or edit pages. By edit pages, I'm pretty sure that's the pages for whenever you swipe left or swipe right. But what we're going to want to focus on is customize. So here we are. We can either make them large or small. If you want them small, they're going to have their names at the bottom. If they're large, the names will be removed and they will have larger icons, including the folders. Now, let's talk about the colors. We have light and we have dark. As you can see, it darkens the wallpaper and it also darkens the app icons. Now, it doesn't really darken the ones on the screen right now, but as you can see, it darkens the other apps in the folders. And it even darkens the Uber or actually lightens it because it was already dark. And there you go. Now, we can have it either automatic, where I'm pretty sure sets it whenever you're in a dark place or a light place, so that's pretty cool, or tinted. Now, you can change this as any color as you want, for example, blue. Let's go on ahead and scroll this here. There you go. Now you can have blue or you can even have green. It's actually very, very cool. You could even tap on this eyedropper and choose any color from your wallpaper so that it matches it. So I'm gonna choose the yellow one. And there you go. As you can see, it's actually a very, very good feature of this iOS 18. That's pretty much it on the tinted ones. Next, I'd like to focus on how you can move around the apps. This is the last one, and as you can see, you can move them anywhere, which is a very, very new feature to your iPhone. Now, this may be an old thing for Samsung users, but it's a very nice addition to our iOS 18. So you can move this anywhere, you could move folders anywhere. There you go. But it's still going to stack up like that. As you can see, it's moving whenever we move something over here or whenever we remove it there. But I'm pretty sure you can still just place it on their own. For example, if you want a hole over here, like so, you can just place it however you want to. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.